In week 5, we start combining terms to simplify expressions, and we're often asked to use a graphing calculator table to verify our work. And I wanted to illustrate that with this problem, 6 plus 6x minus 9 minus 8x. So I notice my like terms are my terms without a variable, both 6 and negative 9. Again, the 9 keeps the sign right before it. And so I'm looking at 6 minus 9, which will give me a negative 3. And then I have 6x minus 8x. Those are like terms because they have the same variable raised to the same power. So I just need to take 6 minus 8, which will give me minus 2x. That's like adding 6 apples. Having 6 apples and taking away 8 apples, I'd have negative 2 apples if that's possible. I'd owe somebody 2 apples. Let's verify that with the graphing calculator. The first thing I want to do is click this y equals button. I'm going to enter the left-hand side of this equation for y1. And so I'm going to have 6 plus 6x. Here is how I type in x on the graphing calculator above the apps button. And then I have minus 9 minus 8x again. And then I'm going to use my down arrow, and in y2 I'm going to type in what I have on the right side of my equation, which is negative 3, and I have to use this negative symbol. There's nothing before it to subtract it, and so I need to use that symbol, negative 3, and then minus 2x. And then I'm going to look at the table of those two values. So here's my table function. It's the blue words above graph, and so I need to hit the second function and graph, and I see this table of values, and I notice that in both equations I get the same y value no matter what x value I put in, which means the two sides are equal, and I have verified my work with the graphing calculator.